Uh-oh. Time for me to turn around and get the heck out of here. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out on the Honda CT125 again. Checking out some trails out in the mountains. Found some that I hadn't been on. I'm pretty sure I've been on this one. I said that about the last two, but I hadn't. So, I don't know if I've been on this one or not. Some of them I mark on my GPS here. And if there's something up there, I'll mark it on here. So I'll... What is that? It's just a big dirt pile, looks like. Oh, and there's a water hole out there. Wow. Looks like a muddy mess. I wouldn't want to go in there very far, that's for sure. I'd be in too deep. So I got a gear indicator on here, but you see down there. Works pretty good because this thing is so easy when you're shifting down to go down into neutral. So I put that little gear indicator on there. And it works pretty good. Keeps me from going into neutral all the time. It's just this kind of a little dug up spot out here. Some tin horns over there. There's a trail that goes off of it. Not really. Just a little dug up spot around the pond. I don't think that's actually a pond. It looks like it's where they may be. Maybe that's what they dug that dirt up for. They dug it out to make that pond. So, very possible. I bet there'll be frogs in there this time of year. Hatching out some babies. I don't see any, but in Missouri they would be. They're everywhere. I'll get myself down in here and a hard place to get out. It's the cool part about the CT125 is it kind of fits everywhere. You just go all over the place in this thing. You don't want to go fast. It's not like it's smooth riding. It's not like you got a lot of power, but it sure is a lot of miles of smiles. Yeah, it's just a bunch of tin horns. So, I don't know if I've been on this road or not. I know I've not been here. I don't know if I've been up this trail. Surely I have. I probably just rode right on by this one. So what happens a lot of times, we'll come out, me and the boys, on the 300s, and a lot of these would just ride right by, riding up the main trail, and miss a lot of this stuff. May not be nothing up here either. Maybe something awesome up here. It's on the map. A lot of these that I go to are not on the map, which is surprising because there's a lot of stuff on the map. But there's a lot of area out here. It's pretty vast. Big expanses of area out here that are just trails all over the place to explore. That's why I find several that I hadn't been on, because it's hard to hit all of them. Good thing about this bike is you ain't going so fast that you have to worry about much. I never know what's out in here. That last video I found some kind of bottles. I haven't looked it up yet. I'm still the same day, so I haven't looked up to see what them things are, but some kind of drugs. I don't know if it's illegal drugs probably, but pretty cool mountain views up in here. Lots to see. I don't know if I've been on this one or not. It don't look familiar. We'll just go down here and see. It's a good looking curvy road on the GPS. I mean, not a real bunch of switchbacks, but usually when the roads are curvy on the GPS there on the map, that means they're going to be better ones. Better than the straight ones. Everything's greening up. We got pretty good rain here in southern Arizona, which makes everything green up. It's actually really nice temperature today. I don't know what it is right now. Let me look. It says 71. I think it's supposed to get to like 85 today. It's only 10:45. Oh, there's one goes up that way. I guess we'll go this way first. See, that's what happens. I go up this trail like this. There's one that went off to the right. And if I don't go back on it, sometime later down the road, I'll come back and I'm like, oh, I've never been down this one. I find another trail. This one's a pretty well ridden or driven road. I mean, looks like lots of people in their side by sides and Jeeps come up through here. Got a cattle guard. And there's lots of them in Arizona. I can tell you, the CT125 is a lot more fun than the 300L out doing this. It's just so more, I don't know how to say it. I mean, it's so more relaxed. It's just easy and just casual. It's not as smooth riding. Looks like one going that way. Who knows? Huh. We have to mark this if it's a good one. If this is a good one, I'll mark it on the GPS. Bring the boys back in here. It's out today by myself. There's campsites. There's campsites all over out of here too, which is nice. Uh-oh. Shows on here that the trail ends, or the road ends up here. Probably at some kind of hiking trail, I would imagine. But sometimes it shows that on the map, but it really don't end. We shall find out. Tires are aired up a little bit too much. I didn't air down. Uh-oh. Somebody up here. Lots of people up here. Border Patrol. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Time for me to turn around and get the heck out of here. They're all up in here doing something probably where I'm not supposed to be. To be that many of them up in here. They're after somebody. I mean, that's a lot of Border Patrol. And I don't want in the middle of something like that, whatever they get into. On there first. Let's get the heck out of that one. They're looking for somebody. I never seen that many of them in one spot. Holy cow. And didn't look like any of them was around their vehicles. So they're off out here searching for somebody on foot. That's what they're doing. We'll go take another trail. We'll probably run into them somewhere else. Oh, I hope not. Well, you never know who's going to be out here. I've never seen anybody coming across the border. I've not run into that yet. I do carry a 9mm right here on my hip. Just in case. just in case. Hopefully I never need to use that thing, but that's one of those campsites. We'll go down here to this other road that I passed earlier and go down it. We'll get away from that border patrol. There's one there. I don't know if that goes anywhere or just goes to a campsite. It looks like a rugged little trail, whatever it is. I just go down here to a little campsite. They probably out on foot, so they can probably hear me out here. But I've never had one of them bother me. I've actually talked to a couple of super nice guys. Talked to some of the deputy sheriffs. Talked to some of the game wardens. They're super nice people. Whoever they're looking for, I'll probably find out here. Wouldn't that be something? I'd rather not. Definitely rather not. This, who knows where this goes? Uh-oh. End of the trail right here. End of the road. Good part is the guns out here, it's open carry. You don't have to have no permit. You don't have to have nothing. Just carry, conceal carry, open carry, whatever. It don't matter. And I like that. It's that way in Missouri now too, which I think it's the way it ought to be. I have the right to carry one. If I want to carry a gun, I can carry one. Some people don't agree with that, but each to their own. Had a guy in one video, he commented, "What are you doing with the gun on you?" Commented back, it's like, "Because I can." I thought that was kind of a stupid question. And he said, "If I was there, I would take it away from you and turn it in." I'm like, well, in the first place, you have to be man enough to take it away from me. And in the second place, I mean, if you take it away from me and turn it in, they're just going to arrest you for stealing. You can't just take something from somebody and turn it in. It's not illegal anyway. Some people just talk. He never commented back. Some Biden supporter, I'm sure. Oh, let's go down and check this other road. We'll have to make it on another video. So thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Never know what I'm going to run into out here in Arizona. Man, I've run into all kinds of stuff except for illegals. I'm not running into any of them yet. Catch you all in the next video. Right on.